It's just eating right now. And guess when I got this cat? Yesterday. So it still doesn't have a name. Right now, the name is Ray, but we don't think that it should be Ray. So we're doing a Star Wars name. Any name suggestions down in the comments below? That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, guys. It's a she, by the way. Like, think of a Star Wars name that fits the cat. She's like black and white. She has like a little bit of a bald spot, but you can barely see it. Beautiful eyes. She has 1 minute of purr ASMR. You could skip if you want to. Yeah, guys, a name would be greatly appreciated. Oh, there you are. A name would be greatly appreciated. 2 rules. Make sure it's Star Wars. 2, it can't be like Vader or anything, because that is one of my dog's names. Veda. We call her like Darth Vader. So I'll be picking a winner, and whoever wins gets a shout out on their YouTube channel. Good luck.